Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Coach Ray Briggs, basketball coach out of Texas and part-time online marketer. Okay, now this video today, I wanted to put together a special training for my team or anybody that may be a new or struggling online marketer out there. Okay, if you're looking to, build a following, build a marketing list of people who are attracted to your different products and services. Okay, this video is going to show you how to capture leads and ultimately build your marketing list. Okay, so what I mean by marketing list is just very, very simple. Anywhere you've ever done business at, anywhere you've ever purchased anything at, whether it's a car dealership, clothing store, Walmart, people are constantly collecting your contact information, whether it's phone number or email address. Okay, and that's why many people's inboxes inside their emails are just filled up with so much mail from so many different places, and people that are advertising and marketing and marketing and marketing to you all these different products and services. Okay, so consequently, if you're looking to build a business online, then your ability to build a marketing list, to build a following of people who know, like, and trust you is very, very important to your success. All right. So what I'm going to share with you here is how to go about creating a lead capture form, which is going to allow you to be able to capture your contacts' names, email addresses, and phone numbers, ultimately building out your list and allowing you to make more money. Okay, so that's how this works. Now, if you haven't seen my videos before, then the basis behind this market, the whole online industry is being able to have some basic skills. All right. In past videos, I've talked about the skills inside of this industry. I've talked about the importance of branding, some different tools and stuff that we use to do that. And I'm going to show you one of my favorite tools that I use right now that not only is my personal branding kit, but it's also my marketing kit. Okay, so I'm going to show you my marketing kit here. I'm going to show you how I use my marketing kit to create a capture form, okay, a lead capture form. All right, so I'm going to take you in here right now inside of my back office of my marketing kit. All right, now once you get signed in here, okay, I'm sorry, I'm typing a little too fast, I guess. All right, so here we are inside of our back office here of my marketing kit, which is Pure Leverage. All right. For you guys that don't know about Pure Leverage, you can click on the link down in the description box. You can reach out and contact me. Hands down, no questions asked. This is the best marketing kit out there, no question. All right. So I'm not going to get into a huge breakdown of everything inside of Pure Leverage, but I'll tell you this: reach out, connect with me. If you're trying to build a brand online, if you're serious about making money online, then you know that you're going to need to build a brand. You know what you're going to need to be able to market, and Pure Leverage gives you everything that you need. No questions, no argument, just flat out honest truth. All right, so all right, here I'm inside the back office. I'm going to show you this here. Now in another tab, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over to my blog. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to embed into a WordPress blog. All right. Now, why do I have a blog? Well, it's this simple. When you're branding yourself, or if you're trying to have any kind of store, people that are going to come and do transactions with you, you got to have some type of store. A blog is like your online store, it's your online presence. It's a way for people to be able to build their know, like, and trust factor with you, which ultimately is going to allow them to want to make more purchases. More purchases, more money for you. Okay, so here we are inside of our WordPress blog. I'm going to come over here to Appearance. Okay, and inside of Appearance, I'm going to click on Widgets. All right. So I'm going to click on my widgets here, and over here, all this stuff over here is basically, your widgets area. They call your sidebar, all right, where the side of your blog will have different information, different content. And I'll open up another tab here, and I will show you what that looks like uncoded. All right, so this is my blog right here. All right, all this stuff over here is considered. Is considered my widgets area. Now I did a little test tutorial here right this, and I added this form in here. I'm going to take that out. I'm going to show you how to do one here. But from there to my video, to my lead capture form, to different banners, to my Facebook fan page, social media. I do a lot of connecting with people through social media, so they can reach out to me here. Different banners for different information, calendars, all this stuff over here is inside of your widget. Okay, so that's what we're looking at here. That's what all these are here. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to take this out here because I'm going to completely redo it from scratch and show you how to capture leads. Okay, so here's where I'm at right here. So now I'm in the back office of my WordPress blog. I'm behind the scenes editing the way it's going to look. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab this box that says text. Okay, it says arbitrary text or HTML. All right, that's where you can put in your code for your form. I'm going to click. I'm going to drag it over here. Now I want to show you, before I do that, I'm going to show you here real quick. Now when I first came back here, I took that first text box out. So if I refresh my blog, okay, you see that it is gone. All right, that form is no longer there. So I'm going to do this from scratch for you guys. All right, so what I'm doing is I'm grabbing this text box, I'm going to click, and I'm going to drag it over here. Now it's going to open up this area right here. Now this area right here is where I'm going to put my code. You're saying, okay, well, what is a code? A code is basically a combination of letters and numbers and symbols that basically equals that form that you saw. Okay, so a code produces this. A code produces this video. Every piece of content, as you can see, that's code. That's considered code right there. That's for my video that's there. This is the code for one of my forms there. You're like, I got to type all that stuff out? No, you do not. Okay? All right, so what I'm going to do is, like I said, this is our empty box that we just added for our text form, and we're going to go back over here to our marketing kit. All right, now here's what you need to do inside of this. This is why I use this phenomenal product, this phenomenal tool, because it gives me everything that I need. So I'm going to come down here to my level 1 marketing suite. Now I'm going to come down to autoresponder. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come in, you're going to want to add a campaign. Okay. Now, a campaign, all of this is a way that you're going to, way that you're going to name your marketing source. Okay. So you can name, let's say, so for here, I'm going to name this campaign test blog. Okay. Lead capture form for WordPress blog. Okay, and you're always going to see this information. This kind of helps you keep your back office organized where you're capturing all these leads and you're building this massive following of people that are purchasing products from you once you go ahead and make a decision to get started with this. Okay, so if you're already started, this is just phenomenal training for you guys to learn how to create forms on your personal blogs, which you also have access to inside of this marketing kit. So yeah, it's awesome. So if you don't have it, definitely go ahead and buy it. All right, so what we're going to do here with the name of the blog, we name the campaign, test blog, a little description. Okay, you can put your name, your email, your notification email. If people want to unsubscribe, you have the text in there for that, activation, and down here, all right, company settings. I'm just going to use Pure Leverage because that's what I'm using for my marketing tool suite. You can put whatever you want in here for a company name, and right here, website redirect page after a subscriber opts into your newsletter. Okay, now this is if a thank you page isn't specified in the form. Now we will specify one in the form, but you can also put it in here as well. Now all this means is once somebody puts their name and their email address inside of that form that you saw and they click submit, where do you want the internet to take them to? What website? What do you want them to see next? Okay, and so I'm going to take them over to my pureleverage.com/ it's my Pure Leverage blog. Okay, like I said, Pure Leverage is awesome. You get this awesome autoresponder. You also get a blog and a bunch of other very good goodies. All right, so we're going to input information there and notify about new subscribers. We want to check that on so you know when somebody opts in to your page. Okay, as soon as they opt in, you can send them a little message just to kind of have that personal touch to follow up with them. Okay, so we're going to click on add here now. Oh, okay, please enter notification email. All right, you have to have a notification email. I'm going to use this one here. All right, briggs@ymail.com. You click add, and now as you see, test blog is in place. All right, So now you have your test blog. It's there inside of your campaign. Now we're going to come over to forms, okay? And I'm going to go to create form first. Okay, I'm going to come here first. Excuse me. So when you go to create your form, this is what you're going to be seeing. This is what you're going to be looking at. All right, I'm going to show you a visual on this. The form name, again, is just helping you keep everything tracked together. I'm going to put test blog. All right. Now, thank you page right here is where I want to put that custom URL. Now we put it in on our campaign name. We're going to put it in here as well, just to make sure they're going exactly where we want them to go. And we want them to go to pureleverage.com/ratebriggs. Okay, you can send them wherever you want to send them, however you want to send them there, whatever website. Okay, so that's what's going to go there. Somebody's already subscribed, thank you page. So if someone tries to come in and put their email address in again, and you already have their contact information, okay, already subscribed, thank you page. I'm just going to send them back. pureleverage.com/ratebriggs. Okay. So we'll go see. If you want to put any type of ad tracking, if you want to track where this is coming from or whatnot, you can do that as well. Up here in this campaign box, we want to make sure that we are on test blog. Okay, we are on the same blog that we have this campaign for, that we're creating this form for. All right. So as you see, when I went to test blog, everything I just put in disappeared. Okay, because every campaign you run, you can set up however you want to set up. So if you want to have a campaign where you're marketing to different groups of people, or you're trying to market different products or services, or people are coming in from different areas, you can name them whatever you want to keep everything organized in a nice, simplistic, systematic way for you. Okay, so I'm coming here, I'm going to do this here again. All right, so we got the test blog. We want to go with our custom URL of www.pureleverage.com/ratebriggs, and again down here www.pureleverage.com/ratebriggs. All right, and you have your ad tracking stuff in there as well. Like I said, if you want to put that in. So check this out. So now we have in here, we get to pick. Okay. Now, what else? What do you want? Required is a full name. Okay, you want to make, what do you want to make required? What do you want to be visible? Okay, do you want first name and last name, or just the full name? The email is going to be there by default always. You're always going to want to collect people's emails. So do you want them to have to fill in 3 areas or just 2? Okay, what I found best is a lot easier if we just go 2. All right, so you can give your full name, email address, and the submit button be like click here, right? And then we are going to create. All right, so boom, here it is. Our form has been created. This is what it looks like. Oh, we just have the email address in there, so we can go back, no problem. We go back here and edit. And here we want to scroll down. And oh yes, required. We do want to be required for the full name. So we click edit again. So we got the full name, the email address. We take a look. Boom, there it is. Full name, email address. Click here, and people put that information in, and you start building your list. All right. So now what happens is we come here to this bracket where it says HTML. We're going to click on here. And here's that fancy schmancy code that we was looking at earlier that I was telling you guys about. All right, so we're going to come here, we're going to highlight all this, we're going to copy it, all right, and then we're going to come back over to our blog inside of our appearance, widgets, and that text box that we dropped down earlier. We're going to paste, save it. The wheels are turning, the wheels are turning, the wheels are turning. And it is saved. So let's come over to our blog and see what it looks like. As you can see before, there was nothing up here. The video is the top thing here. As we refresh the page, drum roll please, drum roll please. Boom, there it is. You have a lead capture form in place right there, collecting people's information. That's simplistic. So again, Want to put this video out for you guys. Hope you found value inside of it. How to capture leads information. If you found value, comment, like it below. Reach out, connect. Coach Ray Briggs. Take care. God bless.